Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Insta360 Get Set Kit Waterproof 360 Action Camera. This little powerhouse is equipped with dual AF 48MP sensors, 5.7K 360 active HDR video, 72MP 360 photo, and 4K single lens mode. But what sets the X3 apart is its incredible 360 capture and reframing capabilities. With the Insta360 app, you can easily choose your favorite angle after the fact, giving you complete control over your footage. The new sensors pack and more pixels for greater clarity and detail, even in low light. Plus, with 4K single lens mode, you can shoot wide-angle footage, just like a single-lens action cam. But perhaps the most impressive feature is the flow state stabilization, which delivers incredibly, and with the impossible third-person view, you can capture drone-like footage and third-person perspectives without a bulky selfie stick, ruining the view. So, if you're looking for a versatile, high-quality action camera that delivers stunning 360 content, the Insta360 X3 is the way to go. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching.